In this video, I want to talk about the application called Robinhood. Robinhood, most importantly and the most important feature is that it holds free stock. So it's a free stock trading platform where you can buy and sell stocks without paying a fee. Usually or traditionally, you would pay $7 to $10 on average for every stock trade. But with Robinhood, you actually don't have to pay anything. It's absolutely free. So I'm going to click on the Robinhood app and I'm going to log in with my passcode, and this is what's going to show up. The first thing that's going to show up, this is how you have done overall with your past trades and sells. Just don't look at mine. I did pretty well for a certain time and then I lost money. But yeah, you get to see overall what you have done in a month, in 3 months, in a year, and overall. And in the green, your percentage of how much increase and decrease. As you scroll up or down, you can see things that you follow. So I'm following Apple, Snapchat, Facebook, Twitter, and you can actually see what they're worth if they've gone up or down for the day. So if they're red, they have gone down for the day, and if they're green, they have gone up for the day. And if you click on the red or the green, you can see the percentage for the day as well. So Twitter has gone down 1%, Facebook has gone up 18%. And if you want to know more information about a certain stock, you can click on the stock. So let me go back. I click on Apple, and it says Apple income stock, and you can see 141.16, and right now it's currently changing up or down. So this is how it has done for the day today, how it's done for the week, how it's done for the month, for the past 3 months, for the year, and for the past 5 years. And you can buy the stock if you want. I'll get into that in a little bit. And any news for Apple. So if you want to click on them, it'll take you. You can see any news and stats of the application, the volatility. So the volatility is pretty low, and the earnings for the quarters and about the company. So this gives you brief information about any company that you're looking for. If you want to quick look any news, this is a great application and just a great feature that Robinhood has. So when you actually start, you'll have to sign up. You can either sign up in their website at robinhood.com, or when you first download the app, you'll first sign up. You'll enter your information, your name, your last name, your social security, your bank information, obviously if you want to deposit money. And after you do that, then you'll be able to access the Robinhood app. So the main feature, or even how did I even get these stocks here, you can just go to the search in the top right and click for any stock that you want. So if you want Apple, for example, you just put Apple or AAPL, and then you can add it and save it and click on it, and you'll get the same information, and it gets saved. And as you can see, it's constantly changing because right now it's 10:53 in the morning, so the stock is constantly changing. Now to go back to my main screen, in the top left, these are my features, my portfolio value, my buying power. Right now I don't have any money, but I will do a quick example for you guys. Robinhood Gold, I will talk about that later. So I'm going to click on account. In account, it will show me how much money I currently have invested, how many money I have in cash and stocks, and how much money I can actually buy and sell. So actually, let me buy a stock real quick so I can show you a quick example. And one great thing, so I'm going to buy a Snapchat. Well, actually, the first thing I have to do is go to banking. So I'm going to click on banking, transfer to bank. You click on transfer to bank, or transfer to Robinhood, my bad. Let me put $100, review, This is a one-time transfer. Your funds will be available immediately for trading. So traditionally, when you submit it, sometimes you have to wait. With Robinhood or Robinhood Gold, um, you would transfer money and they will leverage you $100 until the money gets transferred into the account. So these $100 would be available to me immediately. Usually they have a $1,000 uh, immediate deposit, so you can access up to $1,000 immediately. So right now, once I submit, it says your $100 transfer to Robinhood has been initiated. Your funds will be available within 4 to 5 trading days. So that would be available to my account in 4 to 5 trading days, but they leverage me $100 so I can actually start trading currently. So let me go back. So I put $100. It showed up in my history. So let me go back and let's say I want to buy Snapchat. Click on Snapchat. I say buy. Let's say I want to buy 2 stocks. That would be 45.45. If I want to buy 3 stocks or 30 stocks or 308 stocks, that would be the price. So I'm going to buy 3 stocks of Snapchat. Review. You are placing a good for a day market order to buy 3 shares of Snap. Your order be executed. So let me edit real quick. So I can either, in the top right, I can click order types and I can put market, order types again, limit, so I can set a limit for whatever I want, and stop loss or stop limit. So those are the only order types that Robinhood currently has. So I'm just going to go with market, review, and swipe up to submit. I swiped up and order submitted. So I purchased 3 at 68.25, 3 shares per share, commission $0. So right now, I'm going to go back to my home. And right here, you can see I have 3 shares of Snap. I will get a notification of when the actual buy and sell has been placed. So right now, that's the information given to me. I will get a notification of when the order has been processed. And you would usually get an email as well when the order has been processed. Sometimes if you put a limit order, it would take a couple of seconds or minutes, so you will get notified when that trade has been actually executed. So I also wanted to talk about, as you can see, my portfolio value is increasing and decreasing. So I just made 9 cents with the $100. So 110. And buying power is $31, and that's how much money I have left to buy because I just bought 3 shares of Twitter for 68.28 currently. So talking about day trading, in Robinhood, if you want to day trade, which technically day trading is the purchase and sale of the same security on the same trading day. So if you buy and sell the same security on the same day, then you're day trading. Technically, you're only allowed 3, and if you day trade on the 4th time, then your account would be marked for a 90-day period. So I haven't reached a 4th day trade, but something I think your account, you can't day trade or trade at all, I think, for 90 days. So beware of day trading. You can day trade, but you have to have at least $25,000 or more of equity in your account, then you can day trade. Technically, you can day trade, and every 5 days this gets refreshed, but just make sure not to do it a lot, or your account could be locked. Also, IPOs. Robinhood has been working on IPOs, and I think they did their first IPO with Snapchat. I don't currently know how it works, but they have been working on IPOs. So if you guys want to do IPOs, you guys can do that. Robinhood Gold is a new feature that came out with Robinhood. So you get twice as much buying power. So Google Instant or Robinhood Instant or Robinhood Gold, you can have more leverage whenever you deposit money, and it has extended trading hours. So if you want to do aftermarket trading, you can do that as well. And there's much more and many more features. If you sign up for Gold, Gold is a new feature, so I haven't really gotten the chance to install this, but it's a great feature. So right now, I did Snapchat, and let's say I want to sell Snapchat, then I'll go and it'll tell me my position. I have 3 shares, my equity value of 68.32, my average cost, which is 22.75, and my portfolio diversity, how much I made for the day, and my total returns. And these are my orders. So I bought Snapchat. So I'm going to sell Snapchat. So I'm going to click on sell. Shares of Snap 3. Review. Submit to swipe. Order received. Snap sold. So I sold my share of Snapchat. And to go to account, as you guys can see, I day traded because I bought and sold on the same day. So I have day traded today. And so overall, no fees, no commission. Everything was solemnly on my $100, and I believe I have made 1 cent, and this is a good day. Obviously, you can click on history. These are all your history and everything you've bought and sold, or what I have bought and sold in my history, and settings, and you can refer friends and people. This is a great application if you don't want to pay commission. Obviously, there is no currency trading or commodities, is only equities currently. But if you like or just want to start off with something basic or just learn how to day trade with a small amount, you can do that as well with this. And there is no commission, which is the best part. You're not paying $7 to $10 on every trade. You're literally just putting $100. You're selling $2. You buy or sell, and that's it. No commission. This is great. If you want to learn more, go to Robinhood.com, and you guys will learn more information. There's a lot more information on their website. And this is my tutorial. Thank you.